Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy Kianda. For those who are new, karibuni sana 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 sana. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Megagrowth Anti-Breakage Strengthener Deep Conditioner. Now I feel like most of you have seen this. I've seen this product for the longest time ever, but I've never tried it. Now for the past few months I've tried this product. Yeah, so we are going to review it today. It's going to be not a very long video because it's just one product. I got this product as a PR package, and yeah, from Megagrowth wenyewe, and I feel like I've gotten time to get to know about the product, and yeah, so basically that's that. So first of all, look at the package. Happy Nyamaza. The package, it's bright, it's orange, yellow, and yeah, it's basically orange with yellow, which goes really well. Now I'm not going to talk about so much about the packaging, but basically it gives you like what it is, some instructions, what it contains, and what to do for best results, and tips for mega strengthening. Yeah, so basically that's that. So it's a 425 grams. Now what I don't get is kuna ile ya this shape na kuna ile iko straight without this curve over here, but I feel it's the same thing. Maybe inapishana too, like I feel like it's the same thing. Yeah, so basically that's that. So in a claim, it's an anti-breakage strengthening deep conditioner. True. It's very true, because I've tried this product and I come to you, I feel like it's been a while since I got because this is a protein treatment, by the way, so I feel like it's been a long time since I got an affordable protein treatment that does its job really well, and this one does its job really well, and it's very affordable. I'm going to put the pricing over on the screen. If I don't put it on the screen, then I'm going to put the link to the page of Megagrowth so that when they directly ukaangalie the price. So I'm going to talk also about the scent. It's been a while also since I got the scent is, I can't say it's just fruity. It's fruity, but it's more like it's sweet. Iko sweet zaidi. So the smell is quite sweet. I love it, and the color is next to pink. It's not pink, but it's not also white. I think it's cream, if I'm not wrong. I think it's cream. Yeah, so basically that's what I get. Or is it white? I'm not really sure, but yeah, so basically that's that. So let's talk about the consistency. The consistency, the product's consistency is that it's thick. It's thick, which I love, especially for any type of deep treatment, whether it's moisturizing, whether it's deep protein treatment. I feel like when it's thick, it's easy to manage, and it's easy to get to control how much you're going to use, compared to if it was not that thick. Now when it comes to in the ingredient, wanasema kwamba aqua, it's moisture, yani aqua meaning water is one of the ingredients hapa. So according to what I know is that if it's the first ingredient in the ingredient place, then it means that's the dominant place, the dominant thing in the ingredient. But for this product, after I used it, I feel like yes, it's moisturizing when you've just come out of the hood, the heat cap, but I don't feel it's really moisturizing. I feel like it's more of a strengthening conditioner compared to it being moisturizing. Haiko moisturizing. So when you're using this product, mind you, make sure you use it once a month. Don't use it throughout, because your hair is going to break because of it being dry, kwa sababu ukitumia kama like a normal weekly product, na then itaanza nywele zako zitaanza ku break, and then you will feel, and then utasema kwamba maybe the product does not work, mbona nywele zako zinakatika. It's because this is supposed to be used once a month. There is more damage to your hair when you use a protein treatment more than once a month. So I feel like that's not typical for any person to use. So if you're using it once a month, then that's great. Your hair is going to love you and thank you. But also if you're using before a what is it called, a protective hairstyle, which I would recommend for that, then it's even better, because if it's a protective hairstyle, it means that you're going to stay with it for longer, maybe a month. Yeah, so it means that your hair is going to be protected in that hairstyle, such that when you're going to unbraid your hair, haitakuwa inakatika. Yeah, so that's that. I feel like naongea all over, but I guess you get me. Yeah, so basically that's, use it once a month, and also when you use it, when you're not using it, make sure you are using a very moisturizing deep treatment throughout the other times. Yeah, because this can tend to make your hair dry. Na kama itakuwa dry and then you're not doing anything ya kufanya nywele zako zipate moisture back, then utapata shida. Yeah, so that's that. So also that during that once a month ukiwa unaitumia, make sure that you go in with your leave-in conditioner so hard, because like I said, it might seem moisturizing immediately when you get out of the steaming cup, but in the real sense unajikuta kwamba itakuwa after a few minutes you feel like your hair is dry. So yeah, so basically go in, yani go ham with your leave-in conditioner. Yeah, so basically it's mostly, I always love to use protein treatment whenever I go into protective hairstyle, especially if I'm going for like a month. It really protects your hair very well, and then it doesn't your hair doesn't break as much, so inapunguza the chances of your hair breaking. So it means that your length is going to be retained, and which is good. That's what we want, healthy and length. Yeah, so that's that. Now, a warning to some people who have who are sensitive to protein, then this is not for you. If you're not sensitive to protein, then this is for you. So otherwise, I hope you love this video. I hope it makes sense to you. I know it's short, but I hope you get the point. So this is a great product, especially if you're going into a protective styling, and also if your hair feels weak. And it's good for both relaxed and natural hair, so I discriminate. Yeah, so until next time.